That strange white powder around your humidifier may not be ordinary dust. It could actually be coming from the water you're putting inside it. Some ultrasonic humidifiers can disperse minerals found in tap water along with the mist. When the water evaporates, those minerals can settle on nearby furniture and surfaces as the familiar white film. Check your humidifier's instructions. If the manufacturer recommends distilled or demineralized water, using it can help reduce mineral residue. And don't forget regular cleaning. Mineral buildup inside the machine can become another maintenance problem. A humidity monitor, air quality monitor, and compatible maintenance products can also make home air care easier. A little home knowledge can prevent a lot of guesswork. Follow Opaline Living for more.